Snake gourd, also called Pudalangai in Tamil, is a vegetable largely available during monsoons. Today let's make Pudalangai Kootu, in which snake gourd is cooked with lentils to a stew-like consistency. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Let's get started. Take quarter cup of split chickpea, also called kadalaparuppu or chana dal, and quarter cup of green gram, also called pasiparuppu or moong dal, in a bowl. Wash and soak it for at least half an hour. Meanwhile, wash and peel 10 shallots. Chop 1 tomato into cubes and snake gourd into 1-inch pieces. Peel 5 garlic pods as well. After half an hour, in a pressure cooker, heat up 2 tablespoons of oil. To that, add in half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and a bunch of curry leaves. To that, add in the shallot. Add 2 green chillies and 2 garlic as well. Now saute till the shallots are translucent. Once the shallots are translucent and the layers of the shallots begin to separate, add in the chopped tomato. Saute till the tomatoes are soft. It would take a minute or two. After that, add in the chopped snake gourd. Saute this for 2 or 3 minutes. Now add in the soaked lentils. Add in 2 cups of hot water to this. Season it with half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 pinches of asafoetida. Cover the pressure cooker. Once steam starts coming out, add in the weight. Cook for 3 whistles. Meanwhile, take half a cup of shredded coconut in a mixer jar. To that, add in remaining garlic and green chilies and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and grind it to a coarse paste. After 3 whistles, allow the pressure to release on its own. Once the pressure goes off on its own, open the lid and slightly mash only the lentils. Do not mash the snake gourd as it would spoil the texture. Now again heat it up on a low flame. Once it begins to boil, add in the ground coconut paste. Mix everything well. After a minute, add in half a teaspoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of red chilli powder. Combine and cook for 2 more minutes. Now for the tempering, heat up a tempering pan. To this, add in about 2 teaspoons of oil. I have used coconut oil. Add in half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, some curry leaves and 1 red chilli torn into pieces. Once the mustard seeds have crackled, pour the tempering over the snake gourd kootu. Serve the Pudalangai Kootu with some hot rice. Hope you found this video useful. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Try this recipe and share in your feedbacks. Thank you for watching.